Welcome to our full guide on how to delete a highlight on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. To get started, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile page. Next, on your profile page, locate and tap on the highlight that you wish to delete. Within the highlight, tap on Add New at the bottom of the screen to access additional options. Now, tap on Delete Highlight to initiate the process of removing the highlight from your profile. To confirm your action, tap on Delete once again to permanently delete the selected highlight. By following these steps, you can easily manage and declutter your highlights on Facebook, ensuring your profile reflects the content you want to showcase. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to delete a highlight on Facebook. Keep your profile organized and tailored to your preferences by removing highlights that are no longer relevant or desired.